Should I take the convertible? Nah, I take the vet. Let's go shopping.
I got food on my plate, in the kitchen, That's why I won't even hesitate, in the kitchen,
Oh yeah! Today we're having something very special. We're having chicken fried rice. And as you can see, I have everything prepped. I have my carrots, my peas, my green onions, I have my egg and my rice, I have olive oil, I have my chicken breast, I have my soy sauce, and I have my sesame oil, and a little bit of seasoning to get the job done. So are you guys ready to eat my chicken fried rice? You don't want to miss it. Not today. And I'm also going to put some stuff over here for my chicken breast. Yeah. I'm going to throw this on here and fry all my chicken up. And you first have to season it. You can use salt and pepper if you want. Just watch and see. You must brown your meat first and get it nice like you want it before you put it in the water. So right now, I'm seasoning up my meat. And I'll get right back with you guys and let you know what it looked like at the end. Now that I have my meat cooked, I must scramble me an egg. Once the egg is done, and then I'm going to add it all together, and you will see the mix. You will definitely see the mix, or it will be your death. Now that we have everything fixed, I have everything prepped, I'm going to grease my pot up with some olive oil. Yes, you heard me, olive oil. So I'm going to put that right in the wok. And I'm going to take my bowl of rice and I'm going to pour it right in there. My rice was sitting and was getting cool. It was cool. It wasn't hot. You don't want to do it while it's hot. You want to let the rice sit for a while. So I'm going to turn that down a little bit and keep it kind of warm a little bit. And a little bit I'm going to flip my rice over and start adding all my ingredients to it. How about that? Now I want to take my soy sauce and I want to get some of that going on the rice here as soon as I get the top off of there. Haha! I found what the problem was. You want to dump some soy sauce all over that rice and get that rice nice and good. And then you want to add your sesame oil in there. Put your little sesame oil and that's going to really give it some flavor. You don't need a lot. Now what I want to go and do, I want to go and add my peas in there. In color. Put that in there. Mix that up a little bit and it's starting to come together. Egg in there. Yeah, get that egg right in there. Then I want to mix that egg up in there. Now it's starting to really come together. We're going to dump all of this meat in here because I like my chicken. I like my chicken. Oh, look at it now. Look at it come together. Just look at what's going on with this. Oh, yeah. Now, top it off, I'm going to throw my onions in here. Throw me some little bit of onions. Mix it up some more. Look at that chicken fried rice. Don't that look good? It really look good. Now, what I want to do here is add a little more soy sauce in there. At your liking. I think we got it out now. I think we got it. Mix it up and get all this stuff together, and I think that's about it. So we'll show you the finishing touches when we get to the plate. So stay tuned. All right, we have a finishing touch. As you can see, I'm much very alive. Look at this meal here. This is chicken fried rice, my way. And you know what I gotta do next? Do the taste test. Oh yeah. I'm using my favorite chopsticks. Let's see here. Master, you done a great job. It's delicious. Oh, I need to reward you for that. Yes, it's great. I also have some soup here with onions in there. And I also have me a drink. Now, what did we say this was?
Cho Chiku Pai.
What did we say this was?
Cho Chiku Pai.
Okay, that's what it is. This is a great meal. So delicious. It makes me want to do karate. Yes. It's so great, so delicious, that I'm going to eat the whole pan. Like I told you, put me behind any stove in any kitchen and you will get a great meal out of me. So till next time, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, because you've been cooking in the kitchen with Snow. So till next time, peace!